Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm just going to give you a short update on what's been going on. So I know it's been a while and I haven't disappeared or anything. I have my little doggy here with me, Naya. She loves being outside here. So basically they've been doing some construction work on our house, as you can see with the scaffolding, and that's still going to continue for like another year. So I've been kind of limited in my space outside, and I've just really been, keeping my plants alive and propagating some stuff, but haven't got around to really filming any of it or showing you guys more of it. So I have a bunch of different projects going on, like little ponds outside and mangroves that I'm growing, stuff like that. Lots of stuff with bonsai, but that really takes a while before I can show you guys anything interesting there. So that's at the moment just very small trees. Well, I mean, they're gonna stay small anyways, hopefully, if I'm gonna do bonsai with them, but they need a ways to mature. So I'm still trying to do some eucalyptus bonsai, but that's been a little bit frustrating lately. Hasn't been going as well as I wanted it, but here and there you can see there's still some eucalypti that I'm turning into bonsai, and just things like Japanese maples and the stuff you see everywhere. You'll see everywhere there's eucalyptus scattered around, because they are one of my favorite plants. So I have a lot of different kinds of them. Yeah, some other ponds I've been doing, trying to breed cherry shrimp. Here's a nice snail coming to say hello for the video. And basically, yeah, just propagating stuff, growing stuff, lots of eucalypti here again, and you won't see any big eucalypti around, because most of them get sold once they get to a bigger size. So some of the big ones I'm keeping, like the guy in the back there, but these guys that are kind of starting to get big, most of them will get sold this year still, or next spring. So that kind of, gives me a little bit of something to keep getting new varieties of seeds, because sometimes it can cost a bit to get like new seeds shipped to where I live. So yeah, it's been a lot of just growing, watering, taking care of stuff. Not a lot of refining or stuff like that, because they're just working on our house and we don't really have a lot of space outside. So I've just been keeping the stuff alive and kind of in whatever pots I can find until they're done with the work, so I can show you guys more of what it looks like when it's looking nice. But I do have some really nice ones. This is one of my favorite ones. This one's not getting sold. This is a Eucalyptus cinerea. It looks even better if you turn it towards you. Just one of those ones that has the really big blue leaves. So that one will try and grow into a really nice tree and show you guys that. So yeah, it's been kind of just like that. Inside, I haven't done a lot with the houseplants, because as you can see, everything's kind of has the scaffolding around, so it's been really dark inside our house. So most of my houseplants are like barely holding on, but there's also some things I plan on showing you guys there. One of them being like how to grow really nice and big monsteras, because I've been growing a lot of them where I work and at home. So I can almost show you guys that. I want to have one that's really big before I show you guys that. But that's something to look forward to in the future. There's just other bonsai projects and stuff I'm working on, that some of them I'll give you guys an update on, some of them you'll just see around, but will just be there in the background. So yeah, thank you guys for sticking around, for watching, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos in the future, and I hope to see you guys around.